Welcome to Tech Vibes. Let's dive in. Making $1 million a year in passive income while barely working sounds like a dream. But for many, the reality of running a business is constant stress, cold calling, and manual labor. I want to show you exactly how to flip that script. It was not always like this for me. I used to run a standard marketing agency selling Facebook advertising to medical spas. I was stuck in the grind of cold calling owners at 10 o'clock in the evening because of time zone differences. I was doing everything myself from sales calls to manual ad management. Today, things are different. I run a business that is almost entirely automated. I spend most of my time relaxing or filming a single video once a week. The rest of the time, the machine runs itself. The core of this success is selling to the right market with the right product. Medical spas are a fantastic niche because they have high profit margins and money to spend. Instead of just selling ads, I sell an ROI-driven mobile app. This app is designed to help these clinics make more money, save time, and increase patient referrals for your medical spa. It allows patients to spend more through rewards and easy memberships. The business works like a conveyor belt. It starts with marketing. We use user-generated content or UGC ads. We do not let creators just wing it. We provide them with a strict script and clear instructions. These ads show the app in action and highlight the revenue other clinics are making. This builds immediate trust and interest. When a clinic owner clicks the ad, they fill out a form and are directed to a landing page with a video sales letter or VSL. This video explains how the app will solve their specific problems. From there, they schedule a demo call. This is where the automation really shines. I do not take these calls. I have a dedicated sales team. They do not use high-pressure emotional selling. Instead, they simply walk the prospect through the app and the dashboard. They focus on the results. They show how the notification system and the monthly recurring revenue tracking will benefit the clinic. By the time the call is over, the value is so obvious that the sale feels natural. Once a client is closed and the payment is captured, we move to onboarding. This part of the process is often the biggest bottleneck for agencies, but we have automated it using AI. We use a tool called Dermis. We simply paste the client's website URL into the system. The AI then scrapes the website for their logo, brand colors, treatment lists, and pricing. It then automatically transfers all that data onto a templated app. We do not code anything from scratch. Every client gets a proven template that is ready to go in minutes. This turns what used to be a service into a software as a service or SaaS model. If you run an agency, you can even white label this software. You put your own logo on it and sell it as your own product. After the app is generated, we have a quick onboarding call to give them their login and show them how to set up their memberships. We create a WhatsApp group chat for communication, but even that is managed by the team. From that point on, the client pays a monthly fee ranging from $400 to $665 depending on their plan. This results in an annual revenue per client of about $6,000 to $8,000. Because the product provides so much value, the churn rate is incredibly low. In fact, we have seen months where not a single client out of 60 has canceled. This is how the revenue becomes truly passive. To achieve this level of freedom, you must look at your business in 3 layers: fulfillment, marketing, and sales. Fulfillment is usually the hardest to automate. By using a templated app and AI scraping, I have made fulfillment 100% passive. I spend 0 time there. For marketing, I might spend 10% of my time on high-level strategy, but the media buying and ad creation are handled by others or by AI tools. For sales, I spend maybe 5% of my time as the sales team handles the heavy lifting. Most business owners are trapped because they are the product. If you can templatize your solution, you can remove yourself from the equation. If you want to scale even further, you can combine this app with a client acquisition service. For example, you can provide the app for patient retention and then run ads to bring in new patients. This can literally 4x a clinic's revenue by doubling their client base and doubling how much each client spends. Building a great product is hard, and removing yourself is even harder. But it is possible if you get smart about it. Use AI tools like OpenClaw or Manus to manage your ads and targeting. Systematize every single step until your business is a machine that does not require your presence to function. That is the difference between a business that sucks the life out of you and one that provides you with true freedom and passive income. Thank you for tuning in to Tech Vibes. Keep building, keep automating, and I will see you in the next one.